Hello everyone, good evening. This is Karmeet. I'm your financial expert from Olymptrade and I welcome you to the webinar today. Quickly join in guys. Let's start our session for today. A beautiful, simple yet efficient strategy to be discussed. Kindly share the links with your known ones so that people who are new to trading, who have just started trading on Olymptrade or who really want to learn, they can make full use of this session. So let's wait for a minute or two while our traders join in. In the meantime, I will also check if my audio and my video is very clear. Also, if you can hear me well, the comment section is open for you guys. You can certainly put in that yes ma'am, you're audible, you're not audible. Just mention it in the comment section. Okay, I can see for me the audio as well as the video is very clear. So I hope you can hear me as well. Alright, just a minute more guys. We learned the AXEL strategy today, but just let's give it a minute for our traders to join in. Once they are in, we will start the session, okay? How are you all doing? Where are you watching the webinar from? How has the trading been for you last week? I mean, from the last Friday till today, what new things have you practiced? Any feedbacks that you want to give in regards to trading? That's great, Rohit sir. Thank you for letting me know. So the strategy we learned last time till today, did you practice it? How is it going? I'm open to feedbacks, guys. You can just mention it in the comment section, but please try to put the to comment in regards to your trading itself. All right. Hello Raju sir, how are you? So I can see the traders are joining in, guys. Come on, subscribe to the channel, share the links with your known ones so that more and more traders are benefited by these webinars, okay? We are starting our session now since we have already waited for some time. It's the right time that we go ahead and we start the session. The traders will keep joining in. All right. So once again, this is Karmeet. I welcome you to the webinar. We will be learning the AXEL strategy today. Now, what is AXEL? How does it work? We will get into that. And it's very, trust me, the most simplest strategy. And it specifically says that it's for beginners. So let's just check quickly. We go to our capital alphabet A. We click on the technical analysis. We see this list with 4 drop downs. And then we click and scroll a bit down. Now, AXEL is an advanced level strategy that works on fixed time as well as Forex. Okay, there is a small tutorial guys which you can watch, but I would suggest that I will try my best to explain it to you here itself. Okay, AXEL is an ideal trading strategy for beginners due to its simplicity. So as I mentioned, if you're new to the platform, if you're new to trading, you just want a strategy which is very simple to understand, no multiple indicators, no multiple oscillators, you just want something simple, sober to go ahead, this is the one for you. It uses only the momentum indicator. When the yellow line crosses the blue control line, it is an indication to open a trade. So yellow signal line crosses the blue control line, it's an indication to open a trade. People who are not on advanced can take a screenshot of this strategy, okay? And once I enable it, you see few things over here. Okay, now what do we see? Let's just quickly check. 2 lines have appeared, guys. 2 lines, one is in yellow and one is in blue. Okay, so let's go a bit in the background. So when you see that the yellow line and the blue line, now here we see that the downtrend has started, right? The blue line came from top, the control line came from top. The signal actually intersected and started going downwards. The signal line is the yellow line. So the yellow line intersected the blue line and then we saw a fall in it. We saw a downward movement in it. Okay, so that was a downtrend. In the same way, when the signal line is down and it crosses and it tries to rise, that is an up movement over there, an up trade over there. Okay, for example, here you see it came, the blue line came from the top, it intersected, it went downwards, that was a 2 to 3 minutes down trade. Same way the blue line came from the bottom, it crossed, and then we had an up trade. Okay, so always remember, on a 1 minute candle our trade will be for 2 to 3 minutes. We missed an entry in gold, but that's fine, we have much more assets we can trade on. Okay, I do not see your comments coming in. Hassan sir, hi, how are you guys? Keep commenting, keep liking the video, keep sharing the video. I want more and more traders to be in, so that we can have more conversation. I mean, obviously if there are more people, they will have more doubts, they will have more queries, and we will be able to address all of them, right? So keep sharing. All right, now let's see if we have any entry point so that I can explain it to you in a okay, here we do have. What's happening? The blue line came from the top. It, see what happened, it intersected, but now it's bouncing back. The yellow signal line is also bouncing back, so you're not trading on this asset. Okay, so these things, okay, we have a upcoming signal in USD JPY OTC market that I see, which shows an uptrend. Now I will make this a $10 trade. Let's see. But since the candle is already at 23 seconds, I'm not trading right now. We will wait for the candle to end. Once this candle ends, then and only there we will be making this trade. Okay, so always remember, do not enter a trade in the middle of the candle. Initial 15 to 20 seconds on a 1 minute candle is a good time frame for you to enter the trade, not after that. If the 15-20 seconds have gone, wait for the next candle to appear, guys. Okay, so since this is about to end, let's just see. Okay, do you see it reversed back? That is why I tell you, don't enter in the middle of the candle, wait. Now did you see why I ask you to wait? Here is the simplest reason for that. All right, so let's check other assets. Yes, here we have a trade, but again here our concern is the same. It has already become 30 seconds. I do not enter a trade after that. Okay, hi Naeem sir, how are you? So guys, share the links with your known ones and invite more people to the channel. We need your help, we need your support to grow, and I'm sure you guys know what we do on our channel, how we trade, teach you on this channel. So if you want more people to learn, just share the links. All right, so after this candle ends, we see, do you see that? That is the reason. Wait, Battleground Mobile India, please put your name, dear. Hello, and please put your name. Okay, so let's check other assets, guys. We missed a signal over here. Let's check gold again. All right, so did you understand? It's a very simple strategy. When you see the crossover, the signal line is crossing, it's going in the opposite direction. George Praveen, hello. Sumit sir, hello. Loss Azufar sir, I'm really sorry. And there, the way you explain the strategies, keep it. Thank you, Rohit sir. Trust me, your feedbacks, I mean, not specifically you, but yes, the feedbacks that I get from traders, that only is my reason, my, you know, my motivation to come here and explain you things. Copy trade, George, so I would suggest no, because you know, there is few seconds delay in me making the trade and that trade being visible to you due to the live broadcast. So I would suggest avoid copy trading. Hello, Mr. Shen sir, you are late by 9 minutes. Where were you? So today we are talking about the AXEL strategy, guys. People who have just joined in, it's an AXEL strategy. Yes, I do remember you. So basically there's only one momentum indicator that is used in this strategy. Okay, when the yellow signal line is crossing the blue line, it's an indication to open a trade. So basically when there is an intersection, that's an indication to open a trade. Okay, let's wait for a minute and then we make our trade. So we don't have a signal over here. Let's check AUD CHF. Hey John, John, even you are late today. I am struggling to trade. Please help me, Raghunath sir. I'm really sorry to know that you are struggling, but if you can just describe and let me know what exactly is your concern. I mean, struggling as in to win or to make positive trades. What exactly is your struggle? So if you can share that with us, maybe I will be able to guide you few more things about it. Okay, we see a downtrend here. Now let's check after this candle maybe. Yes. Smart Info Shop. Hello. How are you, sir? Okay, since it's a $10 trade, let's just try to risk it. Okay, we'll see how that one goes. So here also there is a small flip that we see. Hello, Rajesh. So how are you? So great. Traders are joining in, and I think we will have to summarize and go through the through this again. So what I'll do is, no worries, let the traders join in. In the meantime, let's find some signal. AXEL strategy in VIP members. Yes, AXEL strategy is what we are discussing today. Okay, and trust me, it is an advanced level strategy, but it works really well. If you're making 2 minutes trade, are you using any strategy, brother? If you're not using any strategy, Hassan sir, do let me know, because strategy is really, really important. Strategies do help you to understand the entry point, the exit point for the trade. So start using it if you're not. Sumit sir, getting it or not, I didn't understand you. What are you saying? I mean, getting what and getting not? No, no, 1 minute trade is a big no for me, Sumit sir. On a 1 minute candle, your trade should be 2 to 3 minutes, okay? You are not trading for 1 minute, so that is not right. Don't do that. Hello, Mohammed sir, how are you? All right, guys. So, people who have just joined in, please you help me 1 minute signal down which line. No, I'm not giving 1 minute signal. In fact, I'm not giving you any signals away. I'm teaching you to hold, catch that signal, understand the entry with the help of strategy. For example, I see a downtrend is coming up in gold. Whenever there is a crossover, whichever direction the crossover is going, that direction you will be making a trade. For example, at this point, the blue line crossed the signal line and both rised upwards. At this point, if you go, the blue line crossed the signal line and both went downwards. See over here. Okay, so it depends which direction they are going, and that is the direction we are making a trade. No, on a 1 minute candle, guys, you should be making 2 to 3 minutes trades. Okay, whatever trade time you select, whatever candle time you select, your trade should be double or triple of that. On a 1 minute candle, 2 to 3 minutes trade. On a 5 minute candle, 10 to 15 minutes trade. Okay, that is the bestest thing you can do for yourself. All right, so no, we don't have an entry over here. Let's check some. That's risky, dear. I'll tell you. I'll explain it to you, Zafar sir, why. Ronak sir, for forex right now in this session we do not have about forex, but for forex, see, simple tips that I'll give you for forex is try to use smaller multipliers, don't use very bigger multipliers, and set your take profits and stop loss already ahead, so that you know, okay, this much I will win and the trade closes, this much I lose maximum and the trade closes. So set your take profits and stop loss and try to study the market, like which asset you're trading, where you're trading. I see a signal over here. Do you see this? So I see a downtrend coming up over here. It's a momentum indicator, baby. It's a momentum indicator, and basically this is called the AXEL strategy with the momentum indicator. Okay, wait for few seconds, see how the moment goes, and then you basically, I feel this asset would go positive, so I've made a trade. Let's see. Thank you, Roy. Thank you for that feedback. All right, let's go ahead and check. So one trade is active as of now. Let's see. Okay, the previous one that we made for $10 in Asia also went good. Right now I have few hours of trade going on, 2-3 hour trade going on, and let's see how that one would also end. I'm not sure. All right, I suspect that gold will very soon give a downtrend, guys. Can someone do me a favor? Can someone also keep an eye on gold while I just fidget around amongst other assets? Is that possible for any of you? Okay, I see an uptrend coming here, but let me reduce the amount and make it $20 maybe. All right, I have made it. I have made two trades as of now. This one's going on, this one's also going on. Let's see how these two end. Okay, so very crystal clear this basic strategy is, but trust me, once you start using it, you're going to enjoy using this strategy because it is in fact a very simple yet useful strategy, guys. Okay, so Axel is very good. I mean, for basic levels, if you really don't want very complicated, just go for it. Thank you, SRK. All right. So see, we are going to avoid trading in these kind of market that normally goes sideways, you know. One candle, green, red. Avoid trading in such markets. All right, that is not a safe way of trading. Okay, so what's happening? This trade went positive. Yes, the $50 trade is positive. Let's check GBP. Okay, that one flipped, but no problem. I still feel it is going to give you an uptrend. So maybe I will use $100 risk free once this rises. Maybe after this candle, but I know it's going to go up. All right, so before I'm checking some more signals, before I'm making some more trades, guys, if you have anything you want to ask me, any questions about trading, obviously about trading, do let me know. Okay, I'm here to answer you. Do let me know. I am using the momentum indicator, dear. It's right on the screen, right on the top of the screen. You see below the asset, it's momentum indicator with the value 14 and 9. Excellent. Could you please show me? Sure, musician sir, we'll do that. Okay, so people who don't have it, it's very simple. You just go to your, let's forget that this is there. Okay, let's forget that this one exists over here. We remove the AXEL strategy. All right, you click on technical analysis, go to oscillator, scroll a bit down. You see the momentum indicator. The value is already 14 and 9. You don't need to make any changes. This is your AXEL strategy. Okay, that is the AXEL strategy. You don't have to make any changes over here. Clear? Any more questions? Okay, here we see an uptrend coming up. Let this candle end and mention the best way of trading. John, what do you mean by best way of trading? Like best time of trading, or where you should trade, what duration you should trade? Are we talking about that? By best ways, there are many things that can be the best way to trade. So I'm not very sure. Okay, this trade we did not win, but we have one more active trade, guys. Let's wait for that one also. Okay, don't panic, don't be in a hurry. Let this $100 trade end so that we know, okay, this one is going this way. We need to make some more trades. All right. Okay, so we have the $100 active trade. Let's see the other trades too. Let's find some other signals. We are missing out on this one. Let's check how this one goes after this candle. Maybe we try to make a trade upwards, guys, and we see how this would go. Okay, let's try. A $10 trade has been made over here in Euro USD. I don't know what would be the result. We won the trade in gold, so yes, that went very well. See, as of now, 4 trades made. One did go negative, but other than that, everything is positive. Muzashin sir, being in India, the best time to trade, I would say, if we talk about the Indian time, that would be mornings. Uh, Maybe morning you can trade around, till 11, 12 is fine. After that, I would say that, evenings avoid, maybe between 6 to 8 you can avoid. Just give me a second. Well, right now the strategy is about Excel. Let's just focus on that. About any other signals, indicators, oscillators, we will be talking later on, guys. Okay? Let's check any other assets. Is withdraw in progress in 24 hours? See, withdrawals can take somewhere between 24 hours to 5 working days. We do try to process the withdrawals as soon as possible, but sometimes it can take somewhere between 24 hours to 5 working days. Yes. I have a question. Why is it called AXEL strategy? What is the literal meaning of the word? See, AXEL in the sense you can accelerate your trading. When you're new to trading, you can just use this strategy and you can accelerate it. Okay, for example, we have the barcode strategy. Now, barcode strategy literally does not mean something, right? The name does not mean something, but it's called barcode because it looks like a barcode. Okay, so it's the same with Excel. Just you can accelerate your trading. You can, or maybe every strategy has its name. Peacock strategy. Now there's actually no peacock in it, right? But we call it peacock because it looks that way. It appears that colorful thing like a peacock. No, I don't seem low. It's just that I have a throat pain. And I don't see y'all motivating me. Come on, I don't get any likes. I don't get more back to back comments. No questions for you. I sometimes feel that I'm the best mentor. I don't have anyone questioning me about strategies or anything. Now, this trade I have made in down direction. As of now, the trade went positive. My payment not withdraw, it take time, 24 hours. Is any issue here or not? No, don't worry. Sometimes it can take anywhere between 24 hours to 5 working days. Dear, don't worry. You will receive your payment. Okay, regarding payment, I would suggest you all don't worry because it might take time, but you will certainly receive it. All right, all right. Okay, this trade I think is not going in our favor. We will end up losing it. But you never know what happens in the last few seconds, right? Best time in forex, Rajesh sir. Best time in forex. So forex we cannot predict a time, sir, right? Because even if I tell you the best time, you might have to keep it on for hours. The trade will go on for hours, and then the next trade you make, that will also. There is no best time for forex. You can just trade as you want. Okay, just in the evenings the market is very fluctuative. So okay, we lost this trade, but that's fine. We have already recovered it. No, I don't have any private channel. I mean, come on, my this channel is also mine. Even if it's the company's channel, it's my company, it's my own channel is what I feel. Okay. Uh, well, how much what it depends on my trade, how much I earn, right? So it depends on the investment, it depends on the trade. So a guaranteed amount cannot be predicted about this. Yes, as of now, the success rate is somewhere between 75 to 80% there. But still, we have more trades to be made. Still, we are waiting for more signals. So, yes, we will be making some more trades. We will be understanding the strategy a bit more, and let's analyze it together and let's understand where to trade and how to trade. Okay. All right, I am a learner. Will you teach me in trading? Walid sir, yes, we are here to teach you, and for that you already have this YouTube channel. You just need to join in. If you're comfortable in English, that would be Wednesdays and Fridays. If you're comfortable in Hindi, that would be Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we are here to guide you, dear. All we want from you is dedication and timely joining. Okay. Oh, musicians, it feels that way because you don't attend the other sessions, don't you? We have sessions from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, twice in Hindi, twice in English. So, if you are missing my session, certainly please attend the other sessions too. My colleagues who take the other sessions are also wonderful mentors and they will guide you to the best possible way. So, try to attend their session as well. Okay? You're comfortable in Urdu, so Tuesdays and Thursdays is for you, dear. You can join on Tuesday and Thursday. That would be the best for you. Alright. Okay. GBP USD giving a signal mostly soon. Euro USD giving a signal soon. Alright. Oh, does it? I am very proud to know that my session does hit on a different level to you, and trust me, that's the best best feedback I've ever gotten so far in this month. Yes, we had traders, last month who would join and who would few months they were joining, but right now I don't know why they're not in. Some of them had their exams, so maybe for a month they are away, but I'm sure my traders come back. Walid sir, I'm really sorry. If you are on an expert or advanced level, you can certainly drop in your user ID. Only if you're on an expert or advanced level, I can have someone connect with you, or I can connect with you and discuss few things. But if you are on a starter level, dear, you will have to wait for some time. Maybe after some time, you will be able to get personal sessions, and then you can certainly learn from them. All right, come on. So, people who have understood this strategy, lots of laziness done. People who have understood this strategy, do let me know if you find signal somewhere. For example, I do see a signal here, but no, I'm not trading. I might risk it for a very small amount, maybe. Okay, let's try it. I knew this. I knew it might flip. That's the reason I was not making a trade. You are on starter level, Walid sir. In that case, dear, you will have to wait for some time. Okay. Once you reach the advanced level, expert level, you will be able to get these personal sessions also. Okay. So wait for some time. Madam Fampe. Regarding deposits and withdrawal, dear, you will have to get it checked from the concerned team. We have a separate team who deals with deposits and withdrawals. I won't be able to update you about it over here. Okay, which payment method works and which doesn't, the concerned team will be able to let you know. Okay, AUD, CAD, let's check, guys. No, I don't see it going in our favor, but okay, this also went in no profit no loss. This was my 2 hour trade, so don't think that it's a negative trade. It was my 2 hour trade which went negative, so that's fine. All right, I am not looking at Astro as of now. I'll come sorry, the active trade as of now. Tariq Mohammed, sir, see, if you want to start trading, if you want to make live trades, yes, you will have to deposit some money. Okay, after you deposit some money, you will be able to make the trades. Okay, so yes, you will have to you will be able to trade in live account. But if you don't want to trade in live account, you want to trade in demo account, you can certainly trade over there as well. Okay, you can practice in your demo account and then you can come back to live. Whom to contact? Just go to your help section and contact the support team, brother. That's the right way to, that's the only option you have to connect to the support team. Alright, alright. So I see a rise coming up over here. But right now, gold. Gold is giving an uptrend, but you see the crossover hasn't happened. It's resisting somewhere. So we'll come back to gold. We will check about gold. Give it some time. Let it calm down. And then we come back. Alright. So anyone is seeing any signal, guys? Let me know. Any signals that you see, let me know and we make the trade. I love the entry in gold. I think there will be a good entry. Yes, Ashfaq sir. Thank you. So me and my traders are on the same page. We do see an entry in gold. Let's check. Let's just check. After this candle, we'll actually get to know. Now I did see an entry. I've made a trade, but I see gold is fluctuating. Let's not look at it. We'll come back. Let's just find some more trades and make some more trades. I guess this is it for the today's session. No, musician sir, this is not it. We are supposed to make more trades. Come on, we still have 20-25 minutes in our hand. So we are supposed to make more trades. Adil sir, hello, welcome sir. How are you? So that's not it. I don't go end my session so soon. Are you bored of the session today? You don't want to be there? Is it so? Do I sound boring to you for today? I lost on gold. Why, Ashfaq sir? Don't tell me when I'm going to lose it. I might. Okay, okay. Let's check. Anything can happen. Ashfaq sir, I think you made trade on gold way earlier. When you messaged, I think before that only you made the trade. Hello Khan sir, how are you? So as of now, I am winning it. I don't know what happens in the future, but as of now, USD JPY is also giving a signal. There's an upcoming signal over there. So let's look at that too. Let's check NZT USD. Okay. Oh no, the audience is not boring. I think people sometimes, musicians sir, I also felt this. There was time when only I'm going on, speaking, and there's no response from the audience. So I frustrated. I asked them that why are you guys not chatting, not putting your chats in the comment section. So they mentioned, ma'am, we are focused on learning. We are focused on the screen, and we are just trying to learn so that we can catch the maximum possible in this session. So I feel that somewhere when you see the traders are not very active in the chat, they are actually focused on learning. So yes, that can be a reason, and if that is the reason, then I'm okay with it. I'm more than happy that okay, continue learning. I am fine. Okay, the motto for which I come here is your learning, right? So if you're doing that, okay, I won gold as Sparks. I won in gold. Hello, Alam sir. Hello, Alamgir sir. So I see a signal coming up in USD JPY and I guess also JBP USD. But we will focus on USD JPY. I think a downtrend is coming up. Suhag sir, hello, how are you, Suhag? Okay. Guys, if I ever spell your name in the wrong way, please forgive me in advance for that. Trust me, it's not intentional. Sometimes some names, feel like you spell it the other way and I spell it the other way. So trust me, that's not intentional, okay? Alright, so let's just make some more trades. Let's find some more entries. Maybe musicians. Now I can't, comment on that since I'm not there. I'm not looking in their screen what they're doing. But I would say copy trading is a big no-no, guys. If you're doing that, don't do that. Trust me, it's going to impact your results. Okay. Emotional trading is biggest for everyone. It took me years to overcome it. So I can totally understand what you feel. I can totally know what you feel, dear. Emotional trading certainly impacts, the result. It impacts your results very badly because when you start losing, you actually start thinking that, okay, am I not doing well? Or if you win 2 3 trades back to back, that is also a time where you start thinking, oh, I can win the world. So trust me, that impacts. Okay, that does actually impact. So I can understand when you say that emotional trading impacts. Yes, it does. It totally does. Whenever you deposit, you fall sick. That's not good. That's not good. I know, you know that. I know. I know, I know. Yes, we all know, but still, no one agrees that we know. Okay, so that is the thing. Well, it depends on your payment method, yes, sir. But first, please check why you fall ill when you make deposits. Maybe you're stressing yourself too much about your funds. You obviously, I mean, it's your hard-earned money. You will stress yourself that I have to, make something good out of it, and you are stressing. But that is leading to your health issue. So I would suggest don't overstress yourself, dear. That is not good for you. Okay, let's check. I am really sorry, Noman sir, you're facing issues with withdrawal, but trust me, it's already mentioned on our application that we try to process the withdrawals as soon as possible. The standard time period is 24 hours to 5 working days, brother. So it can take anywhere between that time to be processed. And if it's more than that time, we have a dedicated support team whom you can contact and with whom you can talk about your deposits or your withdrawals. Okay, so you really don't have to worry. Okay, these two trades are active as of now, AUD CAD and AUD JPY. Don't know where this is going to lead, but I have two active trades, and there might be one or two more trades that we will be making at the moment. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry if you feel that way, but okay, if that is the fact, yes, so I am an employee of Olymptrade. For me, Olymptrade should show only positive trades. Why is it showing negative? I mean, these are not smaller amounts. These trades were not smaller amounts. So, if why would it manipulate its own employees' trades, right? So that is not the fact, guys. You guys make trades for smaller duration, 5 seconds, 15 seconds. You guys make risky trade and sometimes don't use strategy, sometimes over trade, don't analyze the market, and then you end up feeling that okay, the market is manipulative. It's not. Okay, if it would have been manipulative, we wouldn't have been on the in the the list of traders of our application that's working since 2014. So trust me, that is not true. Okay, and I come live here for almost more than 2 years. I'm coming live. It was another channel previously, now it's this channel that we have. And trust me, if this would have been the fact, why would I come live and spend my energy on you guys? So if we want to help, we want to grow together, and that's the reason I'm here. Now, anyone can have their opinion. Certainly, I understand that you might have had some experience, but trust me, every time what we think is not right. Okay. See, now these trades, 4 trades back to back went positive, guys. Isn't that a good thing? Okay. Yes, we had negative. Yes, I did lose some big amounts in long trading today. That's the 2 hour trades, 3 hour trades. I did lose there, but that's fine. Sometimes every day is not Sunday, so yes, sometimes this will happen, and being ready for this is the only thing that I can do as of now. Now this trade, I think I might lose. Let's see. So I did see an entry here. Now how did I predict, guys? I can see that this yellow line is also trying to go upwards, and this is also, if yellow line would show a down thing and blue line upwards, I would think for some time. Okay, but here I see that okay, both are trying to rise, so I think this might be a signal, and I make a trade. All right, any more questions, anyone? Let me know. In demo, that's good. See, even if you're winning in demo, that means there is something that you can do, right? But just because you won in demo, you get negative over here and you overtrade, that can impact your results. Yes, sir. So don't do that. If you're winning in demo, enjoy that win. But when you come to live account, make smaller trades, make safer trades. Okay, timing keep at least 2-3 minutes, not smaller than that. Amount, keep try to keep the amount for maybe 5 to 10% of that account balance. So whatever balance you have in your account, you trade on 5 to 10% of that balance. Whatever timing you have for trade, you maybe 1 minute candle you trade for 5, you trade for maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. That's the best way to make these trades. So those are going to help you. Now here we, okay, great. So I think we are, see, now people who asked me about why stomach hurts when you don't read my comment. I did miss your comment. Muzashin sir, I did not miss your comment, okay? The last comment that you sent was, I know, I know. That one I read. I did not. Your stomach hurts. I'm really sorry. You have become possessive about me now. That is what I'm thinking. Your mentor is not focusing on you, is what you feel. But trust me, dear, that is not the right case, okay? Basically, I feel that I try to focus on maximum traders possible, but sometimes there are some traders who are very much in need of help, and too much need guidance and all, and I might miss out on some comments. So first of all, I'm really sorry if that is happening. Trust me, nothing intentional. I love all my traders the same, okay, and I try to connect with everyone the same way. All right. Okay, so tell me, now that we have made some good trades, you see, I love green color. I love how it shows all green. Now let us check, guys, what amount did we start at? We started at 21,584, I guess. Yes, 21,584. Even you guys can check. As of now, we are on 21,772. So let's calculate the total profit. This trade don't go down. Okay, as of now, I'm not calculating this trade. Let this 10 seconds go and then we calculate, okay? So let's see what is the total amount. 809. Okay, 809 minus 584 gives you a $225 profit. I mean, come on, guys. Within 50 minutes, within 20, not 50 also, within 45 minutes, I made this profit. Yes, I did take some huge amount trade. That's maybe $100 trade, maybe a $50 trade. I did do that. But when did I do that? When I had a very, very short entry. So you tell me a $225 if you're making in maybe in 1 hour, your week's target is achieved. Why do you need to even stress yourself for the week? So people who talk to me about risk management, money management, emotional trading, this is your thing. You need to understand that if you are achieving this session, yes, so I was coming to that only, musician sir. So basically what I do is I have my mornings free, much freer than the evenings, so I trade in mornings. I prefer trading in mornings. Apart from mornings, I maybe if I'm in a very, very fresh mood, not exhausted with work, or I don't trade mostly on weekends because weekend is my me time. I don't trade on weekends, but if I'm very fresh, I might trade sometimes in the night. And in the session only, I trade at this 6 to 7 p.m., 6:30 to 7:30. That's during the session. But mostly I prefer mornings, okay? All right. So, yes, what I was saying is when we talk about emotional trading, this is the reason your emotional trading actually impacts you. Why? Because you don't think and trade, okay? You trade on, you make shorter trades, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Now here if you see, if I win 5 trades back to back, does not mean I will just anywhere go on trading. If you see, even after winning 5 trades or losing 5 trades, I am analyzing my trades. I'm waiting for an entry. I'm checking the signals. I'm checking a bit of the background, whether it's a trend, whether it's not a trend. So these things actually play a very, very important role when it comes to trading. You need a proper analysis. Just by looking at the color of the candle, you cannot win. Just by looking at where you're trading, what you're trading, okay, just sticking to one asset. I have also spoken to traders who just love one asset, Asia Composite. I mean, if they are winning, if they are losing, they are still stuck to Asia Composite. Why? Why do we need that? We don't need that. If you are not getting a profit in Asia, please grab your opportunities to other assets. Right? We have so many assets, and I really want my traders to explore the maximum possible. Okay? So for you also, I would say try to search the entry points, try to search where you're supposed to trade, what you're supposed to trade, and try to do the best. Okay? So as of now, these trades are our long trades that I've made. AXEL strategy, let's check how many trades we made so far. We started from here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 trades, from which 1 2 3 are negative, 1 is no profit, no loss. So 10 trades positive. Can we trade through AI? Why do you want to do that? I mean, I'm teaching you over here, I'm guiding you, you have all the guidance available on the platform. Why do you want to go and use some tool to trade or to learn trading? I wouldn't suggest that. Okay, the more, I mean, you love your money more than AI tool would, right? So AI will try to win, AI will make trades as per your orders or as per you, but AI will not be wanting, that this trade has to go positive. That stubbornness will not be in AI, brother. So why do you want to do that, Sunil sir? Right? So try avoiding that, guys. Try to make at least 2 to 3 minutes trade on a 1 minute candle. Do not trade anywhere below 2 minutes. I am requesting this since past, but I do not see many people being understanding that, or many people following that. I still see people making 2 minutes, 5 seconds straight, 10 seconds straight. No, that's not a very good thing to do. Okay. Second thing, what I would also suggest to you is try to avoid huge amount of trades. Okay. Normally you make maybe if you have $100, I've also seen traders make $50, $60 trade. That's not needed. That is really not needed. All right. So avoid these things, and I'm sure you will be able to do very, very well. I want you all to grow, and trust me, once you start doing this, I will see you all grow. I know that. All right. So anyone has any more questions? We still have 5 to 6 minutes for this. Okay, and then we will end our session. I will be meeting you next Friday. So anyone has any questions so far, do let me know. People who have just joined in very late, this session will be available on the channel. You can watch the recorded live as per your convenience, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Yes, we did have some negative trades. I mean, 10 out of 14 trades have been positive, so it's a really good positive sign. And I think I did really well. I tried to do really well. Now I don't know whether you guys enjoyed it or no, but yes, I enjoyed it. I so enjoyed the session. Alright, let me just put my laptop on charge. It's running out of battery. You're most welcome, Rajesh sir. And guys, I hope I was able to help you. Now I give you last couple of minutes to put in any questions, any doubts that you have, so that we can discuss it. If there is no doubt, if no questions, no doubts, we can end the session, and you're good to go. I am good to go. Enjoy your weekend. For people in India and all, you have a festive time going on, so enjoy that time. What was the time to trade? Time to avoid trading or just watch the market is in the between 6:30 to 7:30, 8 o'clock Indian time. Otherwise, any time is good. I mean, for me, mornings work much better. Your life running out of funds? Oh, don't worry. I have put my laptop on recharge. You also start recharging your life now. It's time to recharge, brother. Yes, yes. So anyone has some wow plan for the weekend and you would want to share, we are all ears, and we would love to hear. For me, I just want to take deep sleep. I just want to sleep for long hours without disturbance. Don't give me food, don't give me water. I don't need my cell phone. I just want to sleep. I don't know why I feel sleep deprived this week. I really badly need it. What about you guys? I mean, I just need relaxation. Alright guys, so I don't see any more comments coming in. I think you have no questions. I've explained it I've explained it totally to you, and trust me, AXEL is a very simple strategy. You don't need too many questions. It's a very easier to understand. So just practice it. Just watch the videos again if you want to, and you're really good to go. Okay. Alright then, time for us to end the session, and we meet next Friday mostly. I will update you if I am available next Friday. If not, someone else would be available, but yes, next Friday mostly, and we will be talking about some other strategy. In the meantime, I really want you all to take care of yourself, practice the strategy, practice AXEL, and let me know how it goes for you next weekend, okay? Alright guys, take care, good night and goodbye.